Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can place your stove inside of a kitchen island in Heartopia without any glitches at all. So you can either craft the oceanic kitchen island, where is it? It's this one over here. Or if you have the forest bell, I don't have it, but hold on, where is it? If you have the forest bell, wait, wrong one, sorry, this one. If you have the patterned tile kitchen island, you can also place it in there, but I don't have it, so we are just going to use the oceanic one, which is fine. So I'm just going to place it in my lot here. Again, don't have a house. Kind of want to change the color. I don't really like it. Let's change the color first. Okay, so for instance, this is the color. I'm gonna place it here. Grab the simplistic stove, and you can just place it in here. So it makes it like neat and compact, which I think is pretty cool, and you don't have to do glitches, so that's a win. You can still cook on it as well, by the way, if you were curious about that. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!